Welcome back to new tutorial. Today, we are diving into the exciting world of nodered, a powerful visual programming tool that's revolutionizing the way we create and automate applications. I'm your mentor, and in this video, we will explore the ins and outs of nodered, its features, and why it's gaining popularity among developers and enthusiasts alike. So, let's get started. First thing, what is nodered? Well, at its core, nodered is an open-source flow-based development tool built on Node.js. It provides a graphical user interface that allows users to visually create, connect, and deploy applications by wiring together different nodes. These nodes represent functions, devices, APIs, or services, making it easy to build complex workflows without writing extensive lines of code. One of the key advantages of nodered is its drag-and-drop interface. This visual approach makes it incredibly user-friendly, even for those with little programming experience. You can simply select nodes from the palette, drag them onto the canvas, and connect them to define the flow of data and logic. It's like building a digital puzzle, where each piece represents a specific task or action. Nodered's true power lies in its extensive library of pre-built nodes, which are contributed by a vibrant community of developers. These nodes cover a wide range of functionalities, such as data transformation, IoT integration, database connectivity, and more. Whether you are working on a home automation project, data processing, or even building a chatbot, chances are there is a node available to simplify your task. Another remarkable aspect of nodered is its seamless integration with Internet of Things (IoT) devices. With dedicated IoT nodes, you can effortlessly connect and control sensors, actuators, and IoT platforms. Whether you want to monitor temperature, control smart lights, or receive notifications from your smart home devices, nodered simplifies the process, allowing you to focus on the logic of your application. Developing applications can sometimes be tricky, but nodered has got you covered with its built-in debugging and testing features. You can monitor the flow of data through the nodes, inspect variables, and even simulate data to ensure your application is working as intended. This greatly simplifies the debugging process and allows for efficient troubleshooting, saving you time and effort. Once your application is ready, deploying it is a breeze with nodered. You can easily export your flows as JSON files, share them with others, or deploy them directly to a Node.js runtime environment. Whether you are running it locally on your machine or deploying to the cloud, nodered provides flexible options to suit your needs. Last but not least, nodered has a passionate and supportive community that continually contributes new nodes, shares knowledge, and provides support. Online forums, documentation, and video tutorials are readily available, making it easier for users to learn and expand their nodered skills. So, you will never feel alone on your nodered journey. Please comment your doubts in the comment section. Thank you for watching.